Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Today we're guiding you through signing out of the Yahoo Mail app on your iPhone. It's a simple process to secure your email. Let's get right into it. First, locate and open the Yahoo Mail application on your iPhone. Once the app loads, you will typically see your inbox displayed. Now, look closely at the top left corner of your screen. You should see a small profile icon or your initial there. Tap this profile icon. A side menu will slide open. From this menu, you need to find and select the option labeled Manage Accounts. This section is where you control all the Yahoo accounts currently linked to your app. After tapping Manage Accounts, you will see a clear list of all your active Yahoo accounts. Identify the specific Yahoo account you intend to sign out of. Tap directly on that particular account from the list. This action will take you to a screen showing that account's details and settings. Scroll down towards the bottom of this new screen. You will find a prominent option. It is clearly marked as a Remove Account. Tapping a Remove Account will effectively sign you out of that chosen Yahoo account from the app on your iPhone. The app will likely ask you to confirm this action. Confirm your choice to proceed. This step securely removes your login credentials and any locally stored data for that account from the application. You can always sign back in easily whenever you need to access your emails again. Signing out is important for privacy. It prevents unauthorized access to your mail if someone else uses your device. It also helps manage app data. Follow these steps for a complete sign out.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.